the hamster take it away first. Delilah? Thank you, Miranda. We're going to be doing a bit called Dear Santa. Dear Santa, I want mustard. Dear Santa, I want ketchup. Dear Santa, I want French fries. Dear Santa, I want chicken nuggets. Dear Santa, I want underwear. Dear Santa, I want a bra. Dear Santa, I want a book. Dear Santa, I want a buggy. Dear Santa, I want money. Dear Santa, I want an iPad. Dear Santa, I want a toilet. Dear Santa, I want water. Dear Santa, I want Kool-Aid. Dear Santa, I want sausages. Dear Santa, I want muffins. Miranda? Thank you, Delilah, for those words of wisdom. Anyway, this is about decorating for the holidays. When decorating, it doesn't have to be the usual red and green, you know? Use your colors, as I used pink, purple, orange, and green. Get creative with it and decorate in your own style. As you can see, my tree is my style, and I enjoy that. It makes me like the holiday a lot more. Thank you so much for tuning into our first webisode. I hope you tune in for many more.